the Lord. And kings that come from afar with their dreams and their star, they know now where you are, King of Kings. Let the bells ring out on this evening. Let the bells ring out. Let creation sing, all praise to our God, who sends His only Son alone. Let the bells ring out. As heaven's blaze of glory is continued by the dawn, the Son of God is with us. Behold, a child now born. As we got this infancy, to others we must bring. To God they do now sing, Gloria. Let the bells